Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want us to talk about thumbnails. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you know having a good thumbnail for your videos is a big deal. Having a good thumbnail attracts people to your videos. So I'm going to show you guys how you can create great quality thumbnails for your videos for absolutely free. So if you're new to this channel, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. So guys, open any web browser and then go to canva.com. I'm going to leave a link to this website in the description box below. Now, once you are here, we need to sign up for an account, which is absolutely free. You can sign up with a Google account, sign up with your Facebook account, or with an email. I'm just going to sign up with a Google account. So once you've signed up, you will choose what you'll be using Canva for. I'm going to choose personal, and here click on maybe later, and just browse for YouTube thumbnail. You can just search it here, YouTube. There you go, YouTube thumbnail. Now sometimes it might not come like this. It will just load the home page to canva.com. You can just browse there as well to find YouTube thumbnail. And here, this is our workspace. This is where we are going to do all our editing, all our designs. Everything will be done on this workspace. And now here, this is our templates. Now Canva is a great website. They give you absolutely free, so many free templates for you don't have to pay for most of these things, although some of these templates comes at a charge, but you don't have to pay for them, right? You can use so many good templates for free. Now we have our elements here, so many images, so many elements, videos, image, text, everything you want is on canva.com. You don't have to pay for most of these stuff, although like some of these things you might have to pay, but I'm going to show you how you can do this for absolutely free. Now head to templates, and as you guys can see, there are so many categories. We have a music YouTube thumbnail, a food YouTube thumbnail, beauty YouTube thumbnail. Now I'm going to select tutorial YouTube thumbnail because this is a tutorial. Now as you guys can see, this is absolutely free. This is absolutely free as well. So many thumbnails here are free, although like thumbnails like this are for the pro version, and you have to pay to unlock the pro version. So we are just going to select this one, which is absolutely free. And once you select this, we can move this text here. We can move it around. We can edit the text. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this text right here. I'm going to add how to create a YouTube thumbnail. There you go. Now you can change the size of this text. Let me just change it to maybe 56. Yeah, this is good. Now you can change this image as well by right clicking on the image itself and then clicking on delete. And once you've deleted the image, you can go ahead and add your own image, or you can search so many images for free. You just have to come to elements, and then I'm going to search. You can search any image you want, but I'm going to search for YouTube. And as you guys can see, there are so many YouTube images, and most of these are absolutely free. You don't have to pay for some of these images, although some are for the pro version. I'm going to select this one. Let me position it well, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. We need to edit our text. I think this is okay. Now, like, you can add so many elements to your edits. You can add so many elements to your projects, which are for free. Like, you don't need to pay for most of these stuff, like I keep saying. Once you are done with your editing, you then head to download and download with Canva, and then here to pay and download. Now, I told you guys this is absolutely free. If you want to download this thumbnail for free, if you look down, you can see download a free watermarked. Now click on that one, and you can see our thumbnail is downloaded. Now our file has been downloaded. We can open it here, and there you have it, guys. This is our thumbnail we just created for absolutely free. We did not have to pay. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be making many tutorials about Canva, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not yet subscribed. Like this video, comment, and then share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys next time.